If you want a faster way to organize ideas on your Lucidspark board, containers are one of the simplest tools you can use. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use containers in Lucidspark so you can group related items, keep your workspace tidy, and move multiple objects together without losing your structure. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidspark board and find the item you want to organize. This can be a sticky note, a shape, or really any object already sitting on your board. To get started, simply click on that item so it becomes selected. Once you do that, Lucidspark will show a toolbar with options related to the object you picked. Now look for the container option in that toolbar and click it. As soon as you select container, Lucidspark will automatically create a container around the item you chose. Think of this as a visual box or grouping area that helps you keep connected ideas together in one place. This is especially useful if you're brainstorming, mapping out projects, or creating sections on a large board. Next, you can add more items into the same container. To do that, just drag other sticky notes or shapes into the container area. Once they're inside, they become part of that group section. This makes it much easier to organize related content because everything inside the container stays visually connected. If your board has lots of notes and scattered ideas, containers can save you a ton of time. Instead of dragging each item separately later, you can simply move the whole container and everything inside it moves together. That means your layout stays clean and you can rearrange your ideas much faster. You can also resize the container if you need more space. Just hover around the edges and drag to expand or shrink it. This is helpful if your group of items grows over time or if you want to make the container fit more neatly around your content. A properly sized container makes your board look more polished and easier to read. Another useful feature is that you can add a title to the container if needed. This is great when you want to label sections like ideas, tasks, goals, priorities, or any other category you're working with. A title makes the container even more useful because it gives everyone a clear understanding of what the section represents. Once your items are grouped, you can move the container around the board as one unit. That means all of the content inside stays together while you reposition it. This is perfect for reorganizing a workflow, shifting brainstorming sections, or making space for new ideas elsewhere on the board. It keeps your board flexible without making it messy. So to quickly recap, the process is really simple. Select an item, click container, drag in any additional notes or shapes, and then move, resize, or label the container as needed. That's all it takes to start using containers in Lucidspark effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.